Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Like the video, subscribe. Who likes fast, easy, and super simple comfort foods? Our family does. And today for lunch, I'm making something that falls right in that category. Okay. I have about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to melt it in my my pan. Okay. And I have 2 medium onions. Just have them sliced. Folks, you can use your own ingredient list, your own amounts. I have some peppers. I have green peppers and I have red peppers. Folks, I took these out of the freezer. Okay, I preserved these from my garden. So today's the day that we're just about to finish these up. So I'm going to put those in there. Mix this up. And while the peppers are defrosting and the onions are starting to cook, I have a big pack of kielbasa. We love kielbasa. We eat it a lot of times. I fry it for breakfast. I put it in soups, stews, just fry it by itself. And guys, it's really not that expensive compared to a lot of meats. And it's still really well. Okay, anyway. Like I say, the amount that you want to cook for you and your family is totally up to you. That was all the onions I had, or I'd have put more. This is the peppers I've got. So I'm just going to slice this just into small pieces, about that size. And as soon as the peppers get defrosted and the onion starts to soften, I'm just going to throw these in there because this is already cooked, folks. I just need to let my onions and my peppers cook. And by the time they get done, it won't take 5 minutes to get the rest of this dish ready. Alright, as you can see, the onions and peppers have started to change colors. They've started to caramelize. And we've got that little caramelization going on in the bottom of our pan. So folks, that means it's ready to add our kielbasa. Okay, so we're just going to put that in there. Nothing fancy, nothing elaborate, guys. Just a super simple, I wouldn't even call this a recipe. Just kielbasa, peppers, and onions. Like I say, the amounts that you add is up to you. You can add more onions, more peppers. Leave out one or the other. It doesn't really matter. And you can add a barbecue sauce to it if you'd like. My family prefers it just like this. But that's always an option to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. But if you do, folks, barbecue sauce has a lot of sugar in it and it burns really easy. So maybe put it in about the last minute or so. That way you don't ruin your meal. Because it would be terrible to ruin that. Anyway, guys, there you have it. Fast, easy, very limited ingredient, but delicious. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.